Good day, guys. So this is our FYPS project. It's titled The Design and Study of 3D Printed PETG Refrigeration Condenser for a Vaccine Carrier. So 3D printing, it's somewhat kind of a process which prints objects 3D-like by adding small strips of material layer by layer until it completely forms the 3D object. Designing it uses some computer-aided designs such as AutoCAD and SolidWorks. So it's also called additive manufacturing. So we use PETG as our material in our FY project. So this is the prototype in my hands. It's a 5mm inside diameter design. We have a comparative study which we compare it with 1mm inner diameter and 3mm inner diameter. So since the COVID is very rampant this year, we were not able to perform actual experiments, but we did perform simulations using SolidWorks. So our main focus of the study was to determine the heat transfer coefficient and the thermal conductivity of the material. So our main topic focuses on the temperature and the pressure of the design. So given with the simulation data, the we were able to conclude that using the 1mm inner diameter design versus the 3mm and the 5mm, the 1mm inner diameter yielded better results compared than the other two. We had major strides because we found out that the 1mm had a better cooling effect and low pressure output over the tubing passes. So that's all. Thank you very much.